Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to play a games from Swagbucks. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Swagbucks application and then log into your account if you haven't done so already by tapping on the login button and then using your Google account. After logging in, you will be taken to the home page from which you can discover the various options through which you can make Swagbucks. Now, if you wish to play a game, then you can tap on the play option at the bottom section and you will see the various different games that you can play and fulfill requirements in order to win various different amounts of Swagbucks. You can go ahead and explore any game that you are interested in, and then you can tap on Get Now option to download the game and try your very own shot at meeting the requirements. You can also play games with real-time rewards by tapping on Discover from the homepage at the bottom right. You can then tap on Playtime Rewards, and now this will open up games that are within the Swagbucks platform that you can play in order to immediately get your reward in real time. Just tap on the Play Now option and this will take you to the download page for that game. Once you download the game, every minute that you play will reward you with the mentioned amount of Swagbucks. And there you have it. That is how you can play games to earn money on the Swagbucks application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.